What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We're in the beautiful country of Croatia.
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, so we got a little free Prosecco for breakfast, as you can see right here. So we're staying at the Radisson Blue Resort and Hotel and Spa. So I got a lot of, saw a lot of videos and stuff and recommendations to come here, so we decided to come here. So I like it. It's a little hot, as you can see. Feel like I'm back in Miami. So y'all stay tuned. So we're headed to the Split Mall, which is a 3-story mall that has a movie theater and a bar inside, which was, not gonna lie, pretty cool. And then we went to the Crow Craft to get a little bit of drink and ended up getting some free shots. It was pretty good. So wifey ended up deciding to get a couple souvenirs so we can take back to Germany. So you guys know we had to go to the movie theater to go see Jurassic World Rebirth. But I definitely like this movie theater. Definitely give it a 10 out of 10. So y'all stay tuned. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.
Kina 5 zvjezdica su najpotpunije kino iskustvo.
I would give the movie an 8 out of 10.
Day one in Croatia, how is it?
It is nice, hot, just like Florida would be, but yeah, not bad.
Day two.
Orange eggs again, which are real eggs. Not the fake ones in America.
Definitely not.
So we're here where some of the Game of Thrones was recorded. We out here.
Hey.
Hey, go Gators. I rep the Gators everywhere I go.
Chomp, chomp in the swamp.
Yeah, everywhere we go. But yeah, we're here in Split, Croatia. Beautiful city, beautiful people, great environment. But we're just doing like a Game of Thrones tour right now. So, we got some people on the way. But yeah, stay tuned.
You'll hear it's a group of men called Klapa singing a cappella just by the voices, very traditional.
I got my hat.
What in the world?
This is what we suppose the palace used to look like. And yes, I play hide and seek here in the basements also in the 90s.
Yes, we just got done with the tour. Or at least the first part of it. Beautiful out here. Come on, see if you get on video. Hey. Oh yeah, so Croatia is ranked 7th most safest country in the world. And so far, it's been pretty safe.
Was not popular at all
fortress, which was part of season 4 of Game of Thrones, where Princess Daenerys utters the famous words, "Injustice with justice." The wind blows.
Another one, they moved this, but this one is over. It's not as sweet, but it's got this little
Big.
taste. I don't know how to explain this.
Still good.
Perfect.
I enjoyed that.
So as you can see, these are the weapons and uniforms that the soldiers during this time wore at the Cliff Fortress in order to keep the enemy at bay. Alright, so we just got to this beautiful restaurant right here. So as y'all can see, oh, we got some water over here and stuff. Oh, look at that fresh water, y'all. Oh, that's nice. So this area basically is like authentic Croatian place. So we're gonna eat some Croatian food today. But yeah. There you go. We follow Andrea.
Now we're gonna cool off. Around 600 years old structures. A house. They're not even sure how old it is. They don't know it for sure because they just bought out this property 500 years ago and it's been in their family ever since. Last time it was reconstructed is 2009. If the mill was working, there would have to be more water running down the canal to move the lower wheel, which has paddles, so how the water is hitting the paddles. So in the same way, this wheel is also slowly turning around, actually slowly grinding the grain to fall in the middle. Slowly falling, being grinded against the stable part down, and what you have is comes out like this flour. That's it. Pšenica, wheat.
So this is wheat.
Raj is rye, but we got still the wheat inside. Kukuruz is corn.
Kukuruz is corn.
And pura is polenta.
Yeah.
Also corn.
Yeah.
That's it. Healthiest.
Tortillas. Some of the old stuff, how to make bread. So all that's what we need. Grind up wheat. Fresh water. So it's been in this family for 500 years. Isn't it nice? I just want to go sit in there. I wish I could. Oh, a trout? Oh, yeah. Yeah. So you got trout in there.
When you ferment grapes, you get wine. When you distill grapes, you get pure, transparent, burning water. Transparent, fiery water. But if you put inside some honey, you get honey liqueur. If you put inside some mandarins with honey, you get a nice mandarin liqueur. So these are liqueurs, the sweet one. This is also like a herbal liqueur, which means it has this specific bitter herb from Dalmatia, which grows the wheat here, and a little bit of sugar. And this one is my favorite, rakia.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Bon appetit.
Oh, that looks good.
Get on video, get on snap, get on pictures, get on photos.
After party. Okay, hold on.
20 push-ups. 20! Ready?
Together?
Set. Go. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What? Can I do more? Hey guys, it is day 3 in SplitCroatia, and today we're going to be doing a boat tour to an underground museum.
Yes, sir.
Look at that water.
Hey.
You made it.
Yep. So we are on one of these islands, the Blue Lagoon Island, I think,
We
or
are in
something.
Troger.
Yeah, we're in Troger. Oh, this one here over there. Hello.
I like this one.
Oh, I want the big one.
You
I
want
like
a
the
big one?
Yeah.
It's €3.
Do you have a big one like this?
Like that? Not really like this.
I like the tag. Finally got our food, y'all.
Yeah.
I know. So, but yeah, so we gotta eat and then get back on this boat and go to, I think, what, 3 different places? Yeah, I think like 3 different places we gotta go. But beautiful view, as you guys can see. Back a lot, it's super cold, y'all. We made it to the beach. Woo. It is. Ooh, this shit freezing, bro. Sorry for cussing, y'all. But yeah, this is the beach we're at right here. It's beautiful.
I'm so cold.
So this is one of the activities that we wanted to do before we went to Croatia, and we decided to go ahead and do it. And this is the underwater museum. So they have multiple different buoys with different numbers on it, and once you go down in the water, those are the different statues that they have. So I really enjoyed this. As you can see, they have the cross. They got a couple other statues. And then they have the biggest one of all, which is the Jesus statue, which is like 30 feet tall. And it was fish everywhere. I don't know why, but fish congregated to it. And then they also have a plane from World War II that was down there as well. So that was cool to see. So anytime a Florida boy sees water, I gotta jump in. So, but the water was definitely cold, and the current was pretty strong, and you have to watch out for sea urchins. They have a lot of sea urchins out there, so make sure you watch where you step. But I definitely enjoyed it. I gotta grow up. Thank y'all for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Flow Grown TV.